Hi, this is Justin. Welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to undo git add command. So let's get started. First thing we will do is we're going to create a new directory and we're going to initialize it as a git repository. So let's go create a directory. Then we're going to cd into that directory. As you can see, there is nothing in this directory at this moment. So let's initialize this as a git repository. Git init is going to help us create this into a git repository. And however, right now there is nothing in this repo, so it's completely empty. So let's go ahead and create a new file. Let's just say touch.test.txt. And if we list the items in this directory, we will see test.txt. And then let's add this file, git add test.txt. Now, since we added this, and let's say that you forgot to make changes in the file and you wanna undo the git add, the simplest way to do is git reset test.txt. And now your file is back. As you can see that the color also changed here on my terminal. So I will go ahead and edit this file. And then after making changes, now I can add my file again. And then I can create my commit. And we are good to go. That works for a single file. However, if you like to undo git add for all the files that you have added, it should also work simply by omitting the file name from it. So let's make a demonstration. Let's create a file called, let's make some changes in the text.txt. So we make changes in one file called text.txt. And then let's introduce another file test2.txt. Then vim test2.txt. And then we made changes in the test2.txt. And then I'm going to add everything this time. So as you can see, the two files that we have edited, they are both added by git add. And the way I can undo it is simply just git reset. I'm not including file names. You can include to undo git add on a single file, but if you want to do the undo on everything you just added, you can simply say git reset. So if I do git status, I will see both my files and I can edit again after making further changes as I wish. And as you can see, our commit went through. Thanks for watching. That's it for this video. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I will do my best to get back to you.